Hello friends, in this video we will try to learn few very important functions of Excel. Lookup function, VLOOKUP function and HLOOKUP function. If you want to find certain value for a specific label out of a large data, lookup function is very useful. And if the data is given into columns and rows and even on different spreadsheets, you can use VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP function to find out the data in your desired sequence. So let us start with the lookup function. If you want to find out certain value for a match or for a particular label, you can use the lookup function. Say for example, there is one table that you have created, others, foods and refreshment, and so on. Now I want to find out, now if had this been a big data and I want to find out the value for others and foods and refreshment out of it. Using lookup function you can find it out. Equal to lookup value, I want to find out food and refreshment. Lookup vector, from where I want to find out this. I want to find out from this particular two columns, or either I can select the entire columns if there is no repetition of the labels that I want to search, or only the selected area of a particular table that I want to look up for, that I am looking for. Result vector, this. I want to find the revenue amount, so I'll select this and I close the bracket. It gives me the exact value for foods and refreshment that appears in some another table. I can do it for others as well if I simply use the similar kind of a formula. If I drag it here, but if I drag it, I have not put the columns that I have selected. Here I have selected the columns, but in case if I select only the table values, I'll have to freeze them for appropriate referencing that we will see in our next formula VLOOKUP. Now, in a similar manner, the way we used lookup function, we can use VLOOKUP. What is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP is vertical lookup. If the data given to you is in the vertical format, now here you can see it is into column formats, like the data is divided into column formats. The labels are into the particular column, revenue values are into C column, and profit figures are into D columns. Means it is divided column wise. So in those cases you will have to use VLOOKUP. Now if I want to find out the value of, say, total from the revenue column, equal to, what do I want? I want to find out vertical lookup value, because the data is divided vertically. My lookup value is, I want to find out the total value from this particular table. From which column? I want to find out the relative value of total. Either I want to find revenue or profit. Now if it is revenue, I'll have to select the column index, means the column index number. Here not C, but in this table what is the position of that column. Now if I want to find out the revenue value that appears in column number 2, so I'll select 2, comma, and then it asks me whether you want approximate match or exact match. I want exact match. I select false, close the bracket, it gives me the total value. Now here if you see, I've created another table. The items are same but the sequence is entirely different. Now if I want to find out these values, in a small data it is pretty easy just to find out and type it. or copy paste, but in a large data on different sheets it becomes difficult. In those cases you can use these lookup functions. Now here if I want to use it, I can simply drag it, but before that I have to think of the referencing. I don't want to change this column area because I want to select the other values from this column only. So what I will do, I will simply freeze them. I'll simply freeze them by putting a $sign on the column area that I have selected. Enter. If you see here, the lookup value is B9, that is total. I want to go for B10. I can simply drag it now from B9 and so on. You can check here foods and refreshment, others, beauty and personal care. It gives me the values, exact values for the labels I have selected. So it turns out to be kind of a magic in Excel. Now this is for vertical division of data. If the data is divided in rows instead of columns. Now here you can see the data is divided into row number 9, 10 and 11 with labels into 9th row, revenue figures into 10th row and profit figures into 11th row. And now going back to the previous VLOOKUP. Now in this table I want to add the profit figures as well, assuming that those do not appear here but from this data. How do I do it? I use the HLOOKUP function here. So equal to HLOOKUP, lookup value total. From which table I want to select? I will go on other spreadsheet and select the table from which I want to select the data. Then row index number. Now I want profit. So row number from the selected table here is 3rd. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 and range lookup. Now it asks me you want approximate or exact match. I want exact match. Simply close the bracket. 5872. 5872. Now in the similar manner that we did for VLOOKUP, if we want to drag it, we'll have to freeze the table values, the table array that we have selected by using the $signs or the shortcut of F4. Now I can drag it. For example, for beauty and personal care, the profit is 2654. Let us cross check it. Beauty and personal care 2654, even when the sequence now is completely changing. So this is how VLOOKUP, lookup and HLOOKUP functions turned out to be very useful when you are processing the data or coding the data or using the data from various spreadsheets.